Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ow and oi. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ow sound in the word bow. Bow, bow. Now the oi sound in the word boy. Boy, boy. Now I will use them both in a sentence. That boy didn't bow. That boy didn't bow. That boy didn't bow. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.